The Little Thief, a slow English story. This is Tom. Tom lives all alone.
Just me, again.
Go away, dog. I have nothing for you.
But the little dog did not go away.
You again? You are a stubborn one.
Fine, one piece, then you go. You are a friendly little thing. Okay, you can stay. I will call you Scrap.
And so Tom was not so alone.
What is this? A shoe? Where did you get a shoe?
This is not mine. Silly dog.
A spoon now? You funny dog?
A little mitten. Where are you going, Scrap? Toys, spoons, shoes. What is this about? You bring me things every day. But whose things? Where do you go, little one?
Every day Scrap went away, and every day he came back with a gift.
A gold watch? Oh no, this is not a toy.
This is worth money. This belongs to someone. Scrap, you cannot take people's things.
What are you doing, Scrap? Where did these come from?
Tom was afraid. Was his little dog a thief?
Pearls now? Scrap, no, no more.
There. Today you stay inside.
How did you do that?
A photo, a little girl, and an old lady. Who are you? Why does my dog have your picture? A baby's shoe. These are someone's treasures, Scrap. Someone is missing all of these. I must find out.
My ring! That is my family's ring! You! That dog took my ring! Whose dog is this? Is this your dog? Your dog is a thief!
What? No, Scrap is not a thief. He just brings things.
He brings things, he steals things! My ring was in my house!
I don't know where he gets them. I truly don't.
A thief dog! I will call the police. They will take your dog away.
No, please, don't take him. He is all I have.
Soon the whole street was talking. The thief dog and the thief's owner.
They all think I am a thief now. I did not steal anything. But who will believe me?
You have until tomorrow night. Get rid of that dog, or I call the police.
Tomorrow? But he is my friend.
Tom had one day to learn the truth.
There is only one way to know. I will follow you. Tonight, Scrap. Tonight I find out where you go.
That night, Tom waited and watched.
There you go. Now, slowly.
Tom followed his little dog into the night.
You know the way. You do this every night. Where are you taking me?
This old house? Someone lives here?
So that is your secret door.
Tom looked through the window, and he could not believe his eyes. An old woman, all alone.
There you are, my little friend. You came back.
She knows him. She is happy to see him.
What shall I send today? This little brooch.
Take it to your family. Tell them an old woman thought of them.
She gives them to him. They were gifts, all of them, gifts.
Nobody comes to see me now. Only you, little dog.
All alone. And I called you a thief, Scrap. I am sorry.
The old woman was weak, and no one knew she was there.
I cannot leave her alone. I must say hello.
Who is there?
Please don't be afraid. I am Tom. I am the little dog's friend.
You know my little dog?
He visits me too. He brings me your gifts, beautiful gifts.
Someone got my gifts? Someone knows I am here?
Yes. I know you are here now. May I come in? It is cold.
And so two lonely people finally met because of one little dog.
Each one is a memory. I had no one to give them to.
This photo. Scrap brought me this. Who is the little girl?
My daughter, Dora. She grew up. She moved away. She stopped coming.
Dora? Your daughter is Dora?
The gold ring. It was your ring. And Dora is your daughter.
You know my Dora? Is she near? Is she well?
She is very near, Rose. And I am going to bring her to you.
The next day, Tom went to the woman who called him a thief.
You, the thief. What do you want?
My dog did not steal. He carried gifts from the woman in this photo.
This is my mother. Where did you get this?
She lives alone at the end of the lane. She is very old now and very lonely.
Mother, I was angry for so long. I did not know she was still.
She sends her treasures into the world, hoping someone remembers her. Come, please, come and see her.
And so Dora followed the little dog's path home.
Dora? My Dora, you came back? I am sorry, Mother. I am so sorry. I am here now. My girl came home.
The little dog was not a thief. He gave them the greatest gift of all. Tom went looking for a thief. Instead, he found a family. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please like and subscribe for a new slow English story every week.